Warm weather headed our way this weekend and some wind, but it begs the question, is our state getting enough moisture, Ellen?
Yeah, it's tough. You know, we like to see the nice weather, and sometimes as we head towards late spring, we get some drier weather before we see an increase in moisture and rainfall into the summer months. And the drought, unfortunately, has worsened since the start of the calendar year. I actually showed this last week. Not a big change, as 48% of the state is drought-free. That's about half of the state. At the start of 2025, we were about 75% drought-free. And in this La Nina cycle that we've seen throughout the winter months, worsening of the drought, as expected, was down across the southwestern mountains. Now, as we look at the next 7 days, this gives us an idea of what the models are showing in terms of total cumulative precipitation, and there's just not much expected here in southern Colorado. Maybe a few tenths of an inch as we make our way towards Sunday night into parts of the Pikes Peak region. As Bree mentioned, we're tracking not rain, but instead that fire danger threat that's going to become elevated, even critical into the upcoming weekend. And that's because high pressure is large and in charge here of the Four Corners region. And all this energy to our west, which would normally translate towards Colorado, is being forced to go up and over that ridge of high pressure, at least in the short term. All right, if you're just tuning in, here's a look at these current temperatures this morning. It is 38 degrees in Monument, right near that freezing mark. Bit cold out there in Pueblo at 33, 42 in the Springs, 41 in Woodland Park. Temperatures warm nicely under the influence of that high pressure system. And not only will we see a warmer day today, but also light breezes and sunshine to go along with it. It's going to be a really beautiful afternoon here in southern Colorado. As high pressure strengthens and peaks in intensity on Saturday, that's when we get the potential for record heat, driven by some gustier winds up around 25 to 35 miles per hour. That energy I showed you in the northwest, that's going to continue to ride across the northern tier, and that will bring a cold front our way by Sunday, and does introduce a chance for at least a shower or two in parts of southern Colorado. So let's show you those changes for the weekend. Rest of your Friday into Saturday looks to be sunny to mostly sunny. Here's the front that we see on Sunday. Watch out for some mountain snow showers that could interrupt travel for the central and northern mountain ranges during the day, and then a chance that we get a rain or snow shower here in southern Colorado by Sunday evening. Snow level is going to be very high since it's so warm over the weekend, up above 6,500, 7,000 feet. Speaking of high, look at these temperatures today, and they get even hotter tomorrow. 85 in the Springs. That is very, very likely to break the record of 82. Now on Sunday, the timing of that front is paramount to how much warming we'll see. If it comes in quickly, we might not hit that high of 74, but the way the models advertise it, I think we'll still be fairly warm Sunday and then much cooler on Monday before returning to the 70s the rest of the week. For Pueblo, we go from 80s today to 90s Saturday, 80s still on Sunday with wind, the bigger story in Pueblo versus maybe a shower or two we'll see for Woodland Park or the Springs. For Canyon City, very warm temperatures through the weekend, briefly down below average Monday and then warming up again starting on Tuesday. For Woodland Park, a breezy weekend ahead with a chance of a shower Sunday and a cooler high of 52 on Monday.